It all began with a beep. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the very first artificial satellite. That little metal sphere started our journey into space, setting off a wave of exploration and invention. Fast forward more than 60 years. Over 15,000 satellites and rockets have been launched, but not everything comes back down. What stays behind? Space debris. I'm talking about a swirling cloud of junk orbiting Earth leftovers from our cosmic adventures. So, what exactly is space debris? It's dead satellites, spent rocket stages, loose screws, even tiny chips of paint, all flying at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour. Even a 1 centimeter fragment can rip through a spacecraft like a bullet. And the threat is real. In 2009, a defunct Russian satellite smashed into a US satellite. That single crash created thousands of new fragments, making the problem even worse. Today, we're tracking over 35,000 pieces of debris, and scientists estimate there are more than 100 million tiny fragments up there. The International Space Station has to dodge this stuff all the time. Luckily, Earth's upper atmosphere burns up some of the lower orbit debris, but bigger pieces can survive re-entry, and that's a risk for everyone on the ground. That's why scientists came up with something clever: reusable launch vehicles. Rockets like SpaceX's Falcon 9 or India's RLV concept can land, refuel, and fly again, cutting down on both cost and junk. India's making moves too. ISRO's PSLV, GSLV, and SSLV are reliable with low debris, and their reusable launch vehicle is in testing. For the future, countries are developing cleanup tech from nets and robotic arms to lasers. But the smartest move? Stop making more debris. Responsible missions and reusable rockets are the way forward. We went to space to explore, not pollute. The space above us is limited and precious. Let's keep it clean.